Now, this is George and Jim. George goes, "Hey, I thought you were going bear hunting." And Jim said, "Well, I got as far as the interstate." And George said, "What happened?" And he said, "I saw a sign that said, 'Bear left,' so I came back home." Now here's another story. Harry, a successful businessman, owned it all to his mother, now an elderly woman who still lived in the old neighborhood. For her birthday, he decided to get her something really special. A trained parrot who could sing. The parrot cost a fortune, but what a wonderful companion for a lonely woman. He had the parrot sign right over. A day or two later, he called, "Mom, how did you like the birthday present?" And she replied, "Delicious."